Welcome back to Electric Bike Report. I'm Christina, and today we're bringing you a brand new series. We want to know how you, our viewers, are using your e-bikes in your daily life. Do you have a unique way that you're using it? Something that's out of the ordinary? Let us know, and maybe we'll highlight you. Today, we've teamed up with Evelo to provide my dad with their e-trike, the Compass. So let's jump in and see how he uses it in his daily life. Today we're going to highlight my dad, Wald. He lives in Northwest Arkansas and is an electrician. He has spent the majority of his career working in large manufacturing and printing plants. Now he is responsible for fixing and managing all of the plant's machinery, and he is very well known in his industry, one of the best, if not the best in the area. So much so that they will not let him retire. Trust me, he's tried and they won't let him. I can remember as a little girl going and visiting my dad at work and watching him ride across the plant grounds on his little tricycle, and remember thinking that was the most hilarious thing to see my grown dad riding around on this big tricycle. But he saw the power in it then, and I think that he is going to see the power in having an electric bike versus a pedal bike. So let's jump in and see if he thinks it's actually benefiting him in his work. Can you tell us how you are using the trike?
Basically, last year I found out that I had little or no cartilage in both my hips. I had 2 hip replacements last summer, and between the time I started until just recently, walking was kind of rough on me, and the trike made it easier to get back and forth between the shop and jobs that I had to do on machinery. And now that my hips are basically better, I mean, I'm doing just fine with my replacements, but the trike is still nice because I can get places faster. I can get to a machine that's broke down quicker. I can do my job better, basically, and faster. And that's what I'm doing with it.
Tell us some of the problems that are being solved by you having the trike.
Well, my job has a lot of footwork in it. I go back and forth between machines in the shop, either for tools or for parts. And by having the trike, it makes that time quicker. I have to put in less steps, basically. And with my hip replacements, the less steps, the better. So it makes my job, I get to my job quicker. That gets me on the scene faster. I can get the machine operating quicker, and they like it when the machines get operating quicker.
Why do you love having the trike?
Well, I've done this job now for 40, 50 years. And I'm getting old, and that trike makes getting back and forth to jobs a lot easier. It's comfortable, it's quick, it's safe. I got a good field of view. I've rode other bikes, 3-wheel bikes, at a plant I used to work at, and they were not electric assist, they were just pedal. And I am glad that I have the electric assist because it just makes it much, much nicer. I like the fact that if I'm not feeling like pedaling, I can just push the little button on the handle and go without pedaling. I can pull my toolbox behind it. If I need my toolbox with me, I can just grab a few tools and throw them in the back. It's just perfect. I mean, it's what we need. It's narrow enough to go through a doorway, I don't have to worry about getting it where I need to go, because anywhere I can walk, I can ride now, and it just solves a lot of problems.
Thanks, Dad. We really hope this video gives you a little bit of insight into exactly how the Evelo Compass has made my dad's day life so much easier at work for him. Now, what we hope to do with this little series that we're starting is we want to show how e-bikes are being used in the world today. They are more than just to be ridden on a path or maybe a little off-roading. They are very versatile, and so we want to see all the unique, fun ways you're using your e-bikes at home. So if you'd like to be considered to be on one of our highlights, please reach out to us through our channel, through our website, or through email. And remember to click that like and subscribe, and make sure you click the notification bell so that when we put more videos out like this, you'll be the first to know. See you next time.